Greetings from Breviksbadet in Österåker on this last day of June, 30th of June that is. And what is so special about this beach is that it has two public beaches, sandy ones, and one nudist beach as well. And right now I'm right in between the nudist and one of the public beaches, as this beach was there are people on it, and I obviously will not film other people without their consent. It's not just right. So I'm just here all alone on this rock formation here that looks like a bit the rock formation at the nudist beach. And here we can see also the sandy part of the public beach, and in that direction is the nudist beach that you have seen in the beginning of the video. So I have made my way all the way to Österåker, and this is the north part of Stockholm. I live in the south, so it took me quite a while to get here. Two metros, the green line and the red line, then the light rail from Stockholm to Åkersberga, and then the bus. 1.5 hours maybe, I don't know, but it was quite the journey. But yeah, I'm here and it is 1:20 p.m. right now, 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and this is how the beautiful sea looks like over here in Österåker. So let's go ahead first and check the temperature of the water, as yesterday it was freezing cold in Värmdö, only 10 degrees Celsius in the sea. I really hope that it is warmer over here so I can be in the water a bit longer, as here we are a bit more north, but it's not that open, that much of an open sea like it was yesterday. And I was right, it is 14 degrees Celsius in the sea. Yes, which is quite okay if you ask me. And that means that we are good to go to have a swim. And today is beach number 45 on my Sweden Beach Adventures, and I will be here today hanging out at Breviksbadet. We'll see later if there is nobody on this beach. I will make a video vlog from there as well, but I have one from last year as well, so check it out. At the end of this video there is a link to it. So yeah, beautiful sunny day, not so many people even on the public beach. There are more people actually on the nudist beach than on the two public beaches combined here in Breviksbadet. And I am in Österåker, the municipality in Sweden with the lowest tax of all. So if you want to pay less taxes, you should move to Österåker. Alright, let's hit the waters. I can obviously go in also from the sand, but where's the fun in that? Let me show you a bit brief of the nudist beach over there, how it looks like. And yeah, let's then go in. I remember here we had a bit of a mixture in the water with lots of land, seaweed, what that is, but it's gonna be a nice swim as usual on this beautiful last day of June. So we say goodbye to June, and I have touched something, not sure why, but Breviksbadet, public and nudist beach. Let's go in for a swim. Yes, that's the sea. I can taste it for real. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful mixture of public and nudist beach in the beautiful area of Österåker. So this area here is called Lerviken, and Breviksbadet is right here. Here we can see lots of sailboats as well, as we are on the sea obviously. And yeah, another sunny day here in Stockholm, which is beautiful, and I'm gonna be chilling on the beach. Today is day 2 of my 30-day SL journey with the public transport in Stockholm. So I'm exploring remote beaches, and this is very far from my home. I would not have been cycling to this spot as it would take me a lot of time. Not sure how long is it, but at least 50 kilometers it must be one way. So yeah, with that said, and this wonderful view of Breviksbadet, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure. I really hope you enjoyed, and let's see if I'm gonna make one more vlog later today from the actual NUDIST beach, or from the actual one of the public beaches as well. Cheers, and see you soon again with another beach adventure from the sea on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.